Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any Windows computer keyboard act like a computer mouse. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as TP mouse, and the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now we'll see here about the preview here, how it works. So you can see the respective keys. So now on the right side you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now just download this tpmouse.zip file. So when the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click on this TP mouse. So finally the application has started, and now you can see the icon on the taskbar tray menu. Just right mouse click on it. Now you can see the different options here. So now in order to activate, just press caps lock and C. So now in order to move, you can use the IJKL key on your computer keyboard. So if I press the L key, it will move on the right direction, and if I press the J key, it will move to the left direction, and if I press the I key, it will move to the up direction, and if I press the K key, it will move to the downward directions. And now if you press the E key, then it will perform as right mouse click. So you can see here. Now if you press the F key, then it will act as a left mouse click. And if you press the R key, then it will act as a middle mouse button, that is a mouse wheel button. And if you want to disable this application, then just press escape key, then it will get disabled. So by using this application known as TP mouse, you can easily make any Windows computer keyboard act like the computer mouse very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.